Hey there, fellow curious minds. This is Quantix Ninja, your new home for mind-blowing science and technology facts. If you're fascinated by the wonders of the universe, futuristic tech, and the strange but true facts of our world, then you're in the right place. Get ready, because today, we're diving into some of the most intriguing science and technology facts that will leave you amazed. Let's jump right in. Fact 1. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. Did you know that water can boil and freeze at the same time? This mind-boggling phenomenon is called the triple point, and it happens when a substance exists in all three states: solid, liquid, and gas simultaneously. It occurs at a specific temperature and pressure. Scientists use this principle to precisely define the Kelvin temperature scale. Talk about multitasking at a molecular level. Fact 2. There's a planet where it rains liquid metal. Space is full of strange and extreme worlds, but did you know there's a planet where it literally rains molten metal? Meet WASP 76b, an exoplanet so close to its star that its daytime temperatures soar above 2,400 degrees Celsius, hot enough to vaporize iron. But on the night side, where it's cooler, that vapor condenses and falls as liquid metal rain. Imagine needing an umbrella made of reinforced titanium just to take a walk there. Fact 3. A teaspoon of neutron star would weigh billions of tons. Ever wondered what the heaviest thing in the universe could be? Meet the neutron star. These stellar remnants are so incredibly dense that a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 6 billion tons. That's roughly the same as a billion elephants crammed into a single spoon. These stars are formed when massive stars collapse, crushing their atoms so tightly that they defy comprehension. It's like the ultimate cosmic heavyweight champion. Fact 4. The internet weighs as much as a strawberry. The internet is massive in terms of data and connectivity. But did you know that all the electrons used to power the internet at any given moment have an estimated weight of just about 50 grams? That's the weight of a single strawberry. It's crazy to think that something as vast and powerful as the internet, connecting billions of people worldwide, has a physical presence as tiny as a fruit. Fact 5. DNA can survive in space. Scientists have discovered that DNA, the blueprint of life, is far tougher than we thought. Experiments have shown that DNA can survive the harsh conditions of outer space cosmic radiation, vacuum exposure, and extreme temperatures. Some researchers even suggest that life on Earth could have originated from DNA hitching a ride on asteroids or comets. Maybe, just maybe, we are all aliens in some way. Bonus fact. Your brain can generate enough electricity to power a light bulb. Your brain is an electrical powerhouse. At any given moment, the human brain generates about 20 watts of electrical power, enough to light up a small LED bulb. That's because neurons communicate using tiny electrical impulses, firing at speeds of up to 120 meters per second. So, the next time someone calls you bright, they might be onto something. And there you have it, some of the most fascinating science and tech facts that will blow your mind. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Quantix Ninja, and turn on notifications so you never miss an epic fact. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.